Top 10 Smart Gadgets on Amazon in 2025, Expert Picks. Welcome to our definitive guide to the top 10 smart gadgets on Amazon in 2025. Expert Picks. Technology is evolving faster than ever, and 2025 has delivered some of the most impressive, practical, and futuristic smart devices we've seen to date. From AI-powered personal assistants and flying Security drones to smart glasses and immersive control hubs, these gadgets are changing how we live, work, and interact with our homes. Whether you're a smart home enthusiast, a productivity geek, a tech-savvy parent, or someone looking to level up your lifestyle, this list is packed with game-changing devices, handpicked by industry experts. We're diving into the top 10 smart gadgets available right now on Amazon, ranked by innovation, usability, and value. Number 10. Nanoleaf Blocks Combo XL WHEN, building a top 10 smart gadgets on Amazon in 2025 list. The Nanoleaf Blocks Combo absolutely belongs as number 1. Oh, this is more than just simple smart lighting. It's an artistic canvas that reacts to your environment while delivering highly customizable illumination. Design and modularity. The Blocks Combo XL comes in interlocking hexagonal tiles, each housing RGB LEDs you can control individually. Snap them together to create geometric shapes, ambient wall art, or dynamic backdrops. These visual configurations bring both personalization and aesthetic flair, making them ideal for any Ono values form as much as function. Smart features. Voice control is baked in via Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit. With full app control, you can build scenes, schedule lighting changes, and automate reactions. In 2025, Combo XL includes motion sensing to adapt brightness or activate animations as you move through a room. Music or game sensing adds another interactive layer, pulsing lights in time with audio or visuals. Performance and upgrades. Newer firmware enables smoother animations, deeper colors, and faster responsiveness. Compared to earlier generations, the Combo XL now supports higher refresh rate dynamic modes and improv it synchronian whether you're gaming, streaming, or exercising. The modular kits are scalable. Expand your setup over time from a starter pack to full installations. Number 09. Amazon Astro 2.0 Home Robot in 2025. Smart home technology has gone mobile literally. Amazon Astro 2.0, the updated version of Amazon's Home Robot, makes its return as number 9 on our expert picks list. It's not just a novelty gadget anymore. It's a practical home companion with real functionality, boosted AI, and smarter home integrations. Astro 2.0 builds on the original model with a sleeker design, quieter navigation, and significantly improved AI responsiveness. The robot uses advanced SLAM simultaneous localization and mapping to roam your house intelligently, avoiding furniture and pets, while providing services like home monitoring, pet watching, elder care, and more. One of the biggest features of Astro 2.0 is its Alexa Together integration, which makes it an ideal support system for aging family members or people with limited mobility. Astro can check on them, deliver reminders, and even alert family members if something seems off. It includes facial recognition, custom route mapping, and more sophisticated audio processing to ensure it can hear you clearly even in noise environments. With its updated security patrol feature, Astro can now scan your house periodically and send real-time alerts to your phone if it detects movement or unfamiliar people while you're away. You can even talk through it remotely using the built-in camera and speaker. Astro 2.0 isn't just about utility, it's got personality. With expressive digital eyes, ambient sounds, and subtle movements, it feels friendly, not intrusive. It responds to being talked to, and thanks to generative AI upgrades, it even maintains limited conversations or offers casual responses to greetings and commands. Number 8. Withings BeamO 4-in-1 Smart Health Monitor, landing solidly at number 8. The Withings BeamO is a game-changing, FDA-cleared smart health monitor that brings clinical-grade measurements into your home in seconds. It's not just for fitness buffs or the elderly, it's for anyone who wants to keep daily tabs on their health in a simple, modern way. BeamO looks like a compact remote control, but under the hood, It combines for essential health tools: A. Thermometer, electrocardiogram, ECG, oximeter, and stethoscope. What once took 4 devices and a trip to the doctor can now be done in less than 2 minutes from your bedroom. This smart device uses infrared sensors and electrodes to check temperature, heart rhythm, oxygen levels, and even lung or heart sounds. Results are instantly sent to the Withings HealthMate app, which syncs with Apple Health, Google Fit, and other platforms. Plus, BeamO can share data directly with your doctor or family caregivers. Why is this product such a standout in 2025? Reflects the growing trend toward preventative personal health. Tech giving people the power to monitor and understand their bodies before small issues become big ones. For people managing chronic conditions like asthma or heart arrhythmia, BeamO is a daily essential. A key bonus: BeamO is incredibly easy to use. No wires, no cuffs, no discomfort. You simply hold it to your temple, place fingers on the sensors, and let the device do the rest. It's also great for families, allowing multiple users to track separate profiles securely. Number 7. Ring Always Home Cam 2nd Gen at number 7. The Ring Always Home Cam 2nd Gen earns its spot as one of the most futuristic and practical smart security devices available on Amazon in 2025. This flying indoor drone is exactly what it sounds. Like a camera that lifts off and patrols your home autonomously when you're away. The 2nd generation model comes with major upgrades over its predecessor: quieter flight, better obstacle detection, improved video quality, and smarter navigation. The built-in AI now recognizes familiar versus unfamiliar people and adapts its patrol routes based on your daily habits or security concerns. The concept is simple, but genius. Instead of buying multiple indoor cameras for every room, you're now getting a flying camera that moves on command or during scheduled times. It docks in a compact. It's a screeching station when idle and launches silently for a quick flyby when motion is detected. Through the Ring app, you can manually control its path, review flight recordings, or set no-fly zones. It integrates seamlessly with Alexa and Ring Alarm, acting as a smart extension of your home security system. If you're traveling and someone opens a door unexpectedly, the Always Home Cam launches instantly and sends you live footage. No human intervention required. Why is this at number 7? Because it's not just innovative, it solves real problems. It saves money by replacing the need for multiple cameras. It removes blind spots, adapts dynamically to your home-changing layout, and it's surprisingly user-friendly. Security buffs. Appreciate the 2nd gen's ability to create flight patterns that include hallways, doorways, and even specific cabinets or safes. For pet owners or parents, it doubles as a way to check in on pets or animals without setting up dedicated cams. Number 6. Samsung SmartThings Station. Proclaiming number 6 is the Samsung SmartThings Station Pro, a compact smart hub that transforms how you control your connected devices. In an age where homes are filled with gadgets from different ecosystems, this hub acts as a unifying command center, finally bringing together Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, Apple HomeKit, and the Matter protocol in one place. At first glance, it looks like a sleek wireless charging pad, and it is. It supports fast charging for smartphones, earbuds, and smartwatches. But underneath the surface is where the magic happens. This Station Pro allows you to automate your entire home with a single press or voice command. Want your lights to dim, thermostat to adjust, and curtains to close at 9 p.m. One button does it. Heading out for work? Trigger away mode, which locks doors, lowers the thermostat, powers down Anusa Doutlets, and starts your home security cameras. SmartThings Station Pro is designed to be beginner-friendly, but powerful enough for enthusiasts. It supports Matter and Thread, making it future-proof and compatible with practically every major smart device brand. This eliminates the ecosystem trap so many smart home users fall into. In 2025, Samsung refined the user interface, making the companion app easier to navigate. Automation routines are now suggested by AI, learning your habits and offering improvements. For example, it might suggest dimming lights automatically when your TV turns on, or adjusting the thermostat when it detects you are asleep. Number 5, iRobot Roomba Combo J9 2025 edition at number 5. The iRobot Roomba Combo J9 Plus sets a new gold standard for robotic vacuuming and mopping in 2025. It's not just a vacuum, it's an all-in-one. It's a floor cleaning powerhouse. Upgraded with smarter navigation, a self-cleaning mop system, and obstacle detection that's more precise than ever. Unlike older Roomba models, the J9 Plus doesn't make you babysit it. Auto lifts the mop pad when transitioning from hard floors. 2 carpets so your rugs don't get soaked. Plus, with iRobot's Dirt Detective A, now learns which rooms are dirtiest and cleans those first, automatically adjusting suction and scrubbing pressure accordingly. The J9 is also completely self-sufficient. Its clean base not only empties dust, but also washes and dries the mop pad, eliminating the gross task of post-clean maintenance. The base can store up to 60 days worth of dirt and has a clean water tank that lasts through multiple mopping sessions. What makes it a standout in 2025? Its obstacle recognition is powered by an onboard camera and is capable of identifying cords, shoes, pet waste, and toys, so it rarely gets stuck. This feature alone saves hours of frustration and adds real intelligence to cleaning automation. Roomba Combo J9 integrates with Alexa, Google Assistant, and the iRobot app, allowing custom cleaning zones, schedules, and even room-specific cleaning settings. You can tell it, clean under thiedening table, and it gets to work instantly. Number 4, Anker Solix F200 Solar Generator Powerhouse 767. When it comes to energy resilience and smart off-grid living, the Anker Solix F200 Solar Generator lands strongly at number 4. In a world more concerned with sustainability, blackouts, and remote work stops, this device is an absolute game changer. Also known as the PowerHouse 767, this generator delivers a whopping 2,048 watt-hours of capacity. With the ability to expand to 4,096 watt-hours, that's enough to run your refrigerator for hours. Charge your devices 4 days, or power an entire workstation during an outage. It supports up to 12 devices simultaneously and includes multiple AC outlets, USB-C fast charging ports, and even RV connections. Where this device really earns its smart gadget title is through the Anker app, which provides real-time monitoring of energy usage, solar input, battery health, and system diagnostics. You can remotely start or stop charging cycles, check stats, and even activate power-saving modes with a few taps on your phone. The F200 charges at lightning speed, 220 to 80% in under 1.4 hours with dual AC and solar input. It's compatible with Anker's proprietary solar panels, which fold up for easy storage and deployment. This makes it ideal for camping emergencies or backup power in regions with unreliable grids. Durability also makes it shine in 2025. It's built with industrial-grade components, including EV-class LiFePO, for batteries rated for over 3,000 charge cycles. That means you're looking at nearly a decade off reliable use. As climate change awareness grows, more homeowners are turning to smart energy solutions. The Solix 2000 fits right into a smart home, bridging tech and sustainability with seamless control and high output. Number 3, Meta Ray-Ban Smart Glasses 2025 edition coming in at number 3. The Meta Ray-Ban Smart Glasses 2025 edition combine cutting-edge augmented reality AR, AI assistance, and social connectivity in one of the sleekest wearables ever sold on Amazon. Unlike clunky AR headsets, these glasses look and feel like regular Ray-Bans, just smarter. You can take hands-free photos and videos, live stream to Instagram or Facebook, and get real-time AI narration for your surroundings. Need to translate a street sign, identify a landmark, or get directions without pulling out your phone? Just ask where. These really shine is in real-time interaction. You can say, "Hey Meta, take a picture," and it instantly snaps what you're seeing. Or say, "What's this building?" And the assistant identifies it using a mix of vision, AI, and geolocation. For creators and content lovers, it's a seamless way to document life without pulling out a device. Visual capture and live stream features have become favorites among vloggers and travelers. And because the glasses look like normal eyewear, they don't draw attention. The companion app lets you store, share, and edit clips with ease. Privacy controls allow you to disable the camera or turn off the assistant entirely. They charge in a stylish leather case and pair instantly with Android. NIO's continued focus on natural user experience puts these at the front of the wearable race. You get functionality of a smart assistant, camera, translator, and music player all in a device that looks like something you'd wear anyway. Number 2. Amazon Echo Hub at number 2. We have one of the smartest control centers of the year, the Amazon Echo Hub. This wall-mounted smart display doesn't just centralize your smart home, it makes it truly intelligent, offering a fluid interface for controlling everything from lights and locks to routines and live camera feeds. The Echo Hub is a minimalist 8-inch touch display. Flush to your wall. Think of it as the smart home equivalent of a command bridge. With support for Matter, Thread, Zigbee, and Alexa, it acts as the backbone for your connected home. No matter which brands or devices you've chosen, what sets it apart is the widget-based dashboard. You can see your thermostat setting, lock, status, camera feeds, smart lighting, and custom routines all at a glance. Want to turn off all lights, lock every door, and arm your Ring alarm before bed? Tap one routine button. Done. It also includes an infrared sensor that wakes the screen. When you approach, Alexa is of course always sling if enabled. And you can also use it to call family members, check the weather, or control compatible TVs all through voice or touch. Setup is a breeze. Through the Alexa app, you can configure device groups, zones, and automates. Parents love it as a central hub for intercom communication across Echo devices or managing screen time via connected Fire tablets. The 2025 version comes with improved responsiveness, customizable themes, and better support for AI-based automations like turning on hallway lights automatically when motion is detected after dark. Number 1. Apple HomePod Vision Dock. And finally, at number 1, the most exciting and game-changing smart gadget on Amazon in 2025, the Apple HomePod Vision Dock. This isn't just a dock, it's the perfect union between Apple Vision Pro, spatial computing, and smart home intelligence. Apple has essentially reimagined how you interact with your digital world. And this device turns your home into an interactive, immersive experience. The HomePod Vision Dock acts as a charging station, spatial audio hub, and command center for Apple Vision Pro users. When docked, it wirelessly syncs with your entire Apple ecosystem. Your smart lights, cameras, music, calendar, FaceTime, even HomeKit accessories. You can walk into a room and say, "Hey Siri, show me today's schedule," and see it displayed. As a spatial overlay through your headset, the dock also enhances Vision Pro experiences with multi-room audio and adaptive scene support. For example, your room can dim the lights, close the blinds, and start a meditation app when you activate relax mode. All orchestrated through the dock. It's also the first device to allow voice plus spatial command routines, meaning you can interact with your home in new ways. Imagine pinching your fingers in the air to dim the lights, or nodding your head to cancel a FaceTime call, all made possible through the Dock Vision Pro ecosystem. With a sleek, minimalist design and perfect synergy with iOS, macOS, and watchOS, the HomePod Vision Dock is not just another Apple. It's gadget's a leap toward ambient computing. From the wearable intelligence of Meta's smart glasses to the revolutionary Apple HomePod Vision Dock. These devices aren't just cool, they're redefining convenience, safety, creativity, and connection in our daily lives. If you're looking to upgrade your home, your productivity, or even your personal health and wellness, there's something on this list for you. Best of all, each of these gadgets is available right now on Amazon, ready to transform your space or your routine with just a few taps. Don't forget to like, subscribe, or follow for more in-depth tech breakdowns, smart home recommendations, and hands-on reviews of the latest devices hitting the market. Got a favorite gadget from the list or one we missed? Drop it in the comments.